I'm Stephen Cook with Cook Saw Manufacturing. Wanting to show you an edger. We've been building edgers for years. Matter of fact, this is our 50th year anniversary, 2020 is. And so we build different things, and we've just built a large sawmill custom made. And we've been building these edgers for a long time. But this edger, someone wanted it where the blades move in and out. Usually we have just one blade is movable, the other blade is stationary on our edger. But in this case, they wanted to have both blades so that when we turn the handle, both blades are moving. There's a scale here and a scale here. So inside there, and we have a video set up there where you can see those blades, they're moving in and out so that we will be working from the center of this. There's laser lines on it that we'll turn on in just a minute, and you'll see they'll light up down the track. And of course, laser lines have to be inside. The sun cancels that out, or at least under a good shed. Okay, so we're here on the outfeed side of this, and I just wanted to kind of show you the advantage of what this machine will do. This machine fits an application. The other machine we've been building for a long time fits different applications, but this board comes out the center. It's always coming out the center because those blades move in and out from the middle. So what the advantage is, you can put where you have these rollers on, or stop it right here. You're coming through on some wide belts. One good thing, and I'll show you the accuracy of this in a minute, but it comes right out and you can put a narrow belt here. Sometimes I've seen them put 4-inch wide belts so that a 4-inch board will come out on it, or 8 or 10. It always comes out on it and it's centered, and it can go on down to a pile, or to where you can move it in different directions. So these are coming out, your strips are coming out on the side, and obviously when they come off, they're going to drop down. You can cut this back, like I said, back there, and they'll go on down and fall right into a trough. This comes on out onto your belt that goes on out this way. So that lets these drop down. The strips can drive you crazy, as you may well know. But the strips are a problem. But if you have a trough here, it can drop into that. In big mills, they run those chips and strips on down to a chipper. I've seen them where the edgers are like on the second floor or up 8 or 10 feet, and all these drop down and go to the chipper down beneath. But in our situation, where we're often not that big, we can drop that down into a trough, pick the whole trough up and move it, have a couple of troughs or something, so that it's easy moving those. You know, sometimes they're a foot long, sometimes they're 10 feet long, and they're all different lengths. But if you got a trough, that would work real well. Or you may have some other good ideas too. The great thing about these belted edgers like this, especially a belt this wide, it runs accurate. So many years ago when I was a young man, we would get on the old edgers, they had rollers, and a lot of time they would slip and you would get a curved board. It sometimes was impossible. Those things would wear a little. But with these belts, we don't sell these as straight line rips, but you can really get close to a straight line rip with these. I wouldn't guarantee that, but at the same time, I'll tell you, it cuts very close. We're at 9 3/4 here on this end, and 9 3/4 here, and you just got a very straight board. So we have on a couple of occasions sold edgers with these wide belts for people that needed 20-foot stock, real accurate, with very little bow in it, and that served out. They were using wide planks for flooring, I think it was. So that's this edger. That's the benefits of it in comparison to other edgers. So if we can help you out, just give us a call, Cook Saw Manufacturing. Robert is our guy to talk with. He's real helpful. Everybody likes him, and he's real easy to talk to, and he'll get you set up with edger, sawmill, anything that we can help you with. We'd be glad for you to give us a call. Thank you.